And now we are going to discuss about the configuration of email server. So how a email service can be configured using packet tracer. So in this regard, let me start with a PC with a laptop, and these two systems have been connected with a switch, a switch, and you have a server, router, and finally you have a server here. Let us make the connection. Next, we will start assigning the IP addresses. This one, this port 0.0/0/0/0 92.168.1.1, and this PC would be 1.2, and this PC would be 1.3, and this side it would be 2.1, and the server IP address would be 2.2. This is IP, we are going to use it. Now let us start configuring the same. Start from the router, go to configuration. Under the configuration, we will see, and this internal network is 0/0/0, and that is 1.1. 0/0/0. First enable the port, then 1.1, and the default subnet mask is this one. And the other side 2.1, 0/0/1. Click this, enable it again. This would be 2.1, and that is your default mask. Next, go to PC, and this would be 1.2. Gateway would be 1.1. This would be 1.3, and the gateway would be 1.1. Close it again. Now we will start configuring the server. Desktop. This is about 2.2, and gateway would be of 2.1. Then come to the service. Under the services, email. So here I am going to give the domain name as google.com. Click set. Our domain name has been assigned. Now we will start creating the mail services. I am going to create two user ID. Raja. And then Keelan. Two username passwords have been. That's it. No more changes. Because already SMTP POP3 services have already been allocated. Now come to the PC. Then click email. In this side, we are going to configure the username. One user will be assigned to one PC. Raja@google.com. Mail server, it is going to be 2.2. This will also be 2.2. 2.2 means the server name. What is the username? Raja. RA. Like this. And I will create the same for the other side. Email. Keelan at google.com. mail server, outgoing mail server, incoming mail server will be the same. RTLN, RTLN. So both have been successfully created. Next thing is we have to create the communication. Make the communication between the two. Like this. I put the email. Compose. To whom I am sending? Aguilar at google.com. Hi. Hi. How are you? Send. Look at this, sending mail to Aguilar at google.com with the subject hi mail. 192.6.160.2.2 is the server. Send the success. Email this. Open this. Let me check my inbox. The same. Yeah, I have received the same. This is a mail. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? And let us give the reply. Doing good. Then send back. It is success. Close it. Let's check again. Like this. This is your sending, and this is your reply mail. So both have been successfully created. Okay. So by this way, the email configuration has been established. Thank you.